heart set on something. Like, you know what you want, but it's just beyond your reach. So you put your money in, bills face up, you push the right buttons, and nothing. Okay, so maybe you didn't push hard enough, so you try again. And still no Skittles. Is one bag so much to ask for? All I wanted is some Skittles.
Don't you hate when you go to a vending machine and the machine takes your money? You press the button for some cookies. That's all you want. You worked hard for those cookies. You deserve them. The machine starts to give them to you, but they get stuck, so they just hang there, just about to fall. It's like those machines want to torture you. I just wanted some cookies.
I've tried to forget about the Skittles, but it's too hard. And then to top it off, you hear that some other girl is walking around campus with the Skittles that you paid for. Can you believe that? I mean, this girl, she's the one that...
Sometimes, when the machine won't give you what you want, you take matters into your own hands. Were the cookies worth the $500 I had to pay to replace the machine? Definitely. No, it really wasn't.
So many choices. Yeah, I know. I'm so hungry. Yeah, me too. It just kind of sucks though, because I almost had a couple plates.
Oh, really? Well, I'll buy you something.
Oh, no, you don't have to.
No, come on, I want to.
Are you sure?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. You know what I'm saying. I'm good.
Okay. Here you go.
Thanks so much. That was so nice of you.
No problem.
I mean, can you believe it? This girl, I've heard that she is the one. What?
Okay, you need to sprawl more.
My body doesn't go much farther.
No, you don't have to. Don't start with your feet.
I'm gonna get my feet up there.
Banding! I can't believe it. Oh, and I have heard about this girl. I mean, this bitch doesn't even like vending machines. Who wouldn't go to a vending machine? You know what? That's fine. She can have Skittles. More wait for her. What are you doing?